There's Randolph now, another offensive rebound. Creates a space and knocks down the mid-range jumper. Now shot clock down to 5. Chebicek, long 3. Drops. That's Lapornik by Turkey's pretty good play here in the first half. Oh, great offense. Vinmar gets the dunk. And that's the kind of action that made this team the European champions. And you see the passing, the ball movement, player movement. Vinmar hands it over to Lapornik. A little bit of room. Knocks down the 3. Second one of the night. Blaž Markovic in the game on Friday. Gets his first touch. Finds Ribic for 3. And Ribic knocks down the 3. Sit just down 4. And you see Markovic with a very accurate pass. Ribic, when he's stepping into that 3 line. As Mesicek turns the corner and gets all the way to the hoop and one. Blaž Mesicek. Him and Cedi Osman basically going back and forth, taking turns, scoring for Turkey. Back rim, Vinmar secures the rebound. Slovenia pushes. Little no look, Chanchar. Oh, good spin move. Chanchar with the lay-in. And he also came into this game as their leading scorer across the qualifier.